What's going on YouTube? It's your boy B-Blanco, man. Amen. Yes, another sneaker unboxing slash impressions video, man. I didn't think I was gonna do one so soon, but I had to do another one on these bad boys here. Now, I have not even opened the box yet, bro. So I'm going to be looking at these just like how you are going to be looking at them for the first time. I have not seen these in person, bro. I was so excited to get them, bro. And let's just do it, man. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, bro. Like a kid in the candy store right now, bro. I'm just ready, man. Woo! All right. Okay, they got some. Okay. I'll just throw that away. We don't need that. Of course, it comes with the Supreme sticker. I got like freaking 15 of those, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. One thing I forgot to tell you, man, like a lot of people don't know too, like besides me being a sneakerhead, I am a big Supreme fan. Not like a hype beast or anything like that. Not for the hype, you know what I'm saying? But just I love like brands that have like a kind of simplistic style, simplistic element to them, you know what I'm saying? Like Supreme is definitely one of them. I don't like everything that Supreme drops. I'm not like a super hype beast, but I do like some of their pieces, man. I know this looks like a basic shirt. I'm gonna show you the shirt real quick before I open the shoes. I know this looks like a basic shirt from the front, but the bike, you know what I'm saying? The back is crazy, you know what I'm saying? I just like you know, different designs like that, man. So I love, like I said, I love Supreme. If you know me in person, if you know me personally, bro, you know that I love Supreme. All my friends know that I love Supreme. But here's your shoes, man. Let's get it, man. All right, so here is the box right here, man. As you can see, Nike Air Max 1. Ooh, let me turn it over right there. Nike Air Max 1 87 Supreme. Let's look at the side. This is a regular Supreme box, bro. My Air Forces, I have Air Force Ones, Supreme Air Force Ones, and they came in the same type of box, all right? Nothing special about the boxing. Now let's open the shoes. The paper, your regular Nike Air Supreme paper. Like I said, I got white Air Force Ones, Supreme, that came in the, ooh. Oh my gosh, bro. Amen. The Nike Air Max 1 Supremes, bro. Let's just take a look at these real quick, bro. Take a look at these, bro. World famous on the back, Supreme right there, bro. Let's look at the inside. Oh my god, bro. This is a beautiful shoe, man. I haven't owned an Air Max 1 in so long. I gotta fix the laces, but I haven't owned the Air Max 1 in so long. Go ahead and look at the little what is it called? The little lace lock, I think what it was called right there. Supreme on that. 1994, that's when Supreme was established. You see the tongue, Supreme on the tongue. Let me show y'all the insole real quick. Woo! We got the Supreme Nike Air red on the insole. Man, bro, what a beautiful shoe. Oh wait, on the aglet as well. See, I know I learned this from Phineas and Ferb, man. The aglet is at the end of the shoelace. Let me show y'all real quick. Actually, let me take this out real quick. It says world famous on the aglet right there. World famous. Hopefully y'all can see that on the YouTube video, but man, what a beautiful shoe, bro. And I think that this also comes with, oh yes, perfect, it comes with the Supreme, the Nike Air Supreme hang tag as well. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'll be rocking a hang tag on these, man. I don't know if you guys ever rocked a shoe with a hang tag, but it is very annoying to rock a shoe with a hang tag. It's just like always flopping on your shoe. And then also on this shoe, it comes with an extra Supreme laces. I think I might throw these on, man, because this shoe does have some white in it, and I think it's actually going to probably make it a little bit better, man. But just take a look. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. Oh yeah, perfect. As you can see, the Nike Air, it has a snakeskin pattern, bro. Like that is, it is so clean. I know you can't really see it like from the naked eye, like if you know you walking up on somebody, but man, like it is this. These shoes are clean, bro. Hey man, if you're a Nike Air Max fan, bro, get these joints. And I think I showed y'all the tongue already, but let me just real quick. You got the red Supreme on the tongue right there, bro. This is a clean shoe, bro. This is a clean shoe. And I think what I'll do is I'll throw these Supreme laces on at the end of the video, and I'll give you guys a shot of how they look with the Supreme laces, because I'm definitely keeping these joints. These are not going up for sale. I've been wanting an all kind of like an all black pair of sneakers, man, and I feel like this one, you won't see a lot of people wearing these, you know what I'm saying? And I know like a lot of people are wearing like the Vomeros and the New Balances and all that, but like I kind of wanted something to, even the all black forces. I ain't an all black force type of dude, but even the all black forces I see a lot of people wearing. But this shoe, bro, this is a nice shoe, bro. Like I love Air Maxes, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like this was a great reason to get them. Like I said, world famous right there. Beautiful shoe. And the thing is with Air Maxes, bro, they're comfortable. You see the Air Max bubble right there, bro? You got the black bubble. Just a beautiful shoe. Let's look at the bottom as well. I don't think there's anything special. Yeah, there's nothing special with the bottom. No Supreme branding on the bottom, but it's just a irregular Air Max sole. But ooh, man, the leather quality on these, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. The leather quality on these is nice. These did retail for $170. I was able to get these on the Supreme website when they dropped, man. But bro, you can't, you know what I'm saying? Even if you're not a big fan of Air Maxes, bro, you can't not look at this and tell me that this is not a clean sneaker. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, let me know how you guys feel about these in the comment section. Do you guys like Supreme? Am I just a hype beast? Or but I don't know, man. These is clean, bro. I'm definitely gonna rock these, bro, for sure, bro. These are nice. Enough about the shoe. I'm gonna show you guys these a little shot with these with the Supreme laces on them. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care, stay safe out there, and I'm out, people.